Well, you're just in time to be too late. I tried to, but I couldn't wait. And now I've got another date. Now I won't be home no more. Well, you're just in time, you missed the boat. So don't take off your hat and coat. Be on your way, that's all she wrote. Now I won't be home no more. I've stood around a month or two, I've waited for your call. Now I'm too busy bitching woo to come around next fall. I've scratched your name right off my slate and hung a sign on my front gate. You're just in time to be too late. Now I won't be home no more. We're just in time to turn around and drive your boogie back to town. You looked me up, I turned you down. Now I won't be home no more. We're just in time to change your tune. Go tell your troubles to the moon and call around next May or June, 'cause I won't be home no more. I used to be the patient type, believed each alibi, but that's all done, I've changed my mind. I've got new fish to fry. We're just in time to celebrate the things you didn't calculate. You're just in time to be too late. Now I won't be home no more.